Salute the YoungStar.
Delicious. So yeah, I love that. Go on, Kanye, you go.
This is my one. I still
Yeah.
wish you wear it. Like it looked like you're about to like go to the gym or something.
But I've got like heels. Is that heels or boots or
You can say they're trainers.
trainers?
Just
Nice,
say
nice,
they're
nice. I can see me wearing that casually every day, so that's very nice. Nyla, you'll go. Big it up.
Basically, what I've done was, you know what, I'm just going to show you. Basically, the blue things is what, the blue things are
We want to see the presentation.
the blue things are these are supposed to be nails, but it didn't go so well.
Nice. And my trousers, what are they?
Jeans.
They're
And then
jeans?
These were supposed to be black Dr. Martens, but
Oh,
they kind of
nice.
went a bit bad.
And my purple top. I can't decide. I actually think you lot are both winners. I mean, because of your visual one, I mean, we scrunched it up in the paper. I'm going to give you a 9. And I'm going to give you a 9. Because it's a draw. I'm not sure what one. I will wear both of them, that's why. I think they're amazing.